How to fix MyFitnessPal sync not working. To fix the stalled MyFitnessPal sync, you should first of all check your app-to-app data permissions. First things first, force a manual synchronization. All you have to do is launch the MyFitnessPal application on your device, then open the MyFitnessPal diary. From here, swipe down firmly on the screen until the loading spinner appears. Once you do this, all you have to do is you can also use the More method button. You simply have to tap on this three-dotted menu icon from the bottom navigation bar. Scroll down to the absolute bottom. You will find the sync option. Go ahead and tap on this and make sure you will find the last option or the last synced details over here. If it says a few seconds ago, that means the synchronization is working. And you can also try clearing the cache by heading to the app info from your app drawer. Once you find the location of your app icon, go ahead and tap on this I option, head to storage and cache, then proceed to clear the cache to remove all the unwanted and corrupted files within the application, which should now solve your sync issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.